Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Elasticsearch in Action, 2nd edition, written by Madhusudan Kanda.
This chapter delves into the realm of search engines, their evolution, and the intricacies behind their operation. We will introduce Elasticsearch, an open-source search and analytics engine renowned for its speed, and discuss its features, applications, and adoption. We will also provide an overview of the Elastic Stack, which includes Beats, Logstash, Elasticsearch, and Kibana. A good search engine provides relevant results, corrects misspellings, and offers suggestions. It should be able to handle large volumes of data and provide a user-friendly experience. The importance of search engines in today's digital world cannot be overstated. We will further explore the growth of search engines and advancements in search technology. The surge in data has made search functionality crucial for organizations. Search bars and advanced search options are now standard features on websites and applications. Modern search engines offer advanced functionality, giving them a competitive edge. They can handle both structured and unstructured data, with the latter being the focus of modern search engines. Elasticsearch is designed to handle full-text searches and provide instant scalability. Modern search engines should support full-text and structured data, provide type-ahead suggestions, auto-corrections, and did-you-mean recommendations, and be forgiving of spelling mistakes. They should also offer search capabilities on geolocations, easy scalability, high performance, high availability and fault tolerance, and support for machine learning functionalities. Elasticsearch is an open-source search and analytics engine built on Apache Lucene. Due to its fast and available search functionalities, it is used by major organizations like Uber and Netflix. It supports diverse search types, including full-text, exact term, and geospatial searches, and offers advanced features like relevancy and auto-completion. Beyond search, it handles big data statistics and machine learning for tasks like anomaly detection. The engine also offers analytics capabilities, a RESTful API for easy communication, and is schema-free.
Get this book at manning.com